VideoGen is a revolutionary AI-powered platform that's changing the game of video production. Imagine turning your text and scripts into stunning, professional quality videos automatically. No more complex software or endless editing hours. With VideoGen, you can customize your videos with ease. Add captivating voiceovers, eye-catching visuals, and dynamic animations to bring your message to life. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or content creator, VideoGen is your go-to tool for creating engaging videos that drive results. Why choose VideoGen? Efficiency. Save time and effort by automating the video creation process. Professionalism. Produce high-quality videos that impress your audience. Customization. Tailor your videos to fit your brand and message. Accessibility. No technical expertise required. Ready to elevate your video content? Experience the future of video creation with VideoGen. Today, I will show you how to generate a video using VideoGen tools in a few easy steps. First, you'll need to change the video settings because you'll need to start by getting a script. Writing a script is crucial, especially if you're working on something like YouTube videos, as it keeps your content clear and focused. For this demo, I'll show you how to do it step by step. So first, decide on a topic. It can be anything, but let's make it fun and inspiring. I've chosen to create a motivational video for this example. Now, after deciding on the topic, you'll input a prompt into your video chat tool to generate the script automatically. It's really simple and saves a lot of time. Once the prompt is processed, you'll get your script ready to go. And there it is. Here's the script generated based on the motivational theme. From here, you can tweak it or use it as is to create your video. See how easy that was? Next, I'll head over to the video generation tool, where you'll see a button on the main interface. Clicking that will take you to a menu with several options. At the top corner, you'll notice an option specifically for YouTube videos. So I'm selecting YouTube for this example. Now you'll need to set the word limit for your video script. For this demo, I'll set it to create a video that runs about 2 to 3 minutes, which is a great length, longer than 1 minute, but still engaging. After that, the tool will start processing, and you'll just need to wait for a bit. While you wait, the interface might display some helpful instructions or tips. Once the processing is complete, you'll see your finished video right there on the screen. It's super convenient and feels like magic because it does all the hard work for you. Finally, after everything looks good, you can export the video to Terminal and download it directly to your device. You can also save it for later if needed. And just like that, your video is ready to go. And there you have it. This is the video I've just generated. See how simple it is? Now it's time to play and check the video. Look at that. It's amazing how quickly this came together. It's really easy to generate a video, and the whole process takes only a few seconds. With VideoGen, you even get the option to choose a voiceover for your video. This means you can pick a voice that matches the tone or style you prefer for your content. For example, you might want a friendly voice, a professional tone, or even something more energetic. There's a lot of flexibility. And as you can see, it's all very user-friendly. What's even better is that if you subscribe for a year, you can create unlimited videos. So whether you're making content for fun or building a channel, this tool is a game changer. See? It's that easy.